Hi guys, my name's Veronica. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm with my friend Sabrina, and today we're gonna be making vegan rice wraps.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. No. She messed with the temperature. Hard wrote the song, but I am the messenger. Through the metropolis, there is no stopping this. Flowers and kisses, yeah. I heard you like chocolate. Light up the candles.
So they're thinner.
Tune up this channel. It's the ride of your life, girl. My room is Orlando. You see the man though. How much can you handle? I go commando. Ooh, that body so blanco. And I'm about to dive in it straight to the bottom, cause there is no topping this. Pop lock and drop on your man if you copping it, baby. I'll fall for these tropical ladies. I know that she wavy, she naughty, she crazy, she got it all on me. The road is wide open and calling. I flow like a Lambo, my boo's a Bugatti. I live like a movie, young opportunist. Used to make changes to hang with the coolest, but now I'm the coolest. That dude that will do it, that dude who will fuel the movement. Watch as I do this. I'm good in my lane though. Hand in my hand, no letting go. On top of my game, yeah. On top of my game, I play with an angel, yeah. Yeah, 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 I'm grateful. Thank you for the things you do and say to keep me faithful. Thank you for the time you take to keep my heart from danger. Funny how when strangers stepped in, made up all these changes for the better. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. 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 Ooh baby, yeah. I don't really do this, but Bruce G be the dude to remove the blood.
So that it shows up on the top when you roll it.
Oh, nice.
Okay, going for it.
Thank you for the time you take to keep my heart from danger. Funny how when strangers stepped in, made up all these changes for the better.
Why did you go so fast?
Yeah, this is like picking up and sticking
What do you mean?
front to the surface, to this.
Yeah, but it would stick to the counter too, I imagine. She did it on a cutting board.
I think that's literally her kitchen
Counter?
table, yeah. So I don't want it to read.
What about the saw?
Can we taste test once you're done that one? Like the first one?
Yeah, how did you do it?
Okay, keep going all the way. Tuck it. And once you have that, do the sides.
So rolling rice wraps is harder than it looks because
This is more.
the rice paper like will break and it's sticking to our cutting board because like honestly who knows, because it's sticky. So we have to work really quick. But other than that, they're going really well. This is what it looks like.
Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Ooh baby, yeah, I'm grateful.
Mine worked good. Mine worked good. Me. Oh. Yay! All done. So this is what
We've eaten like maybe
we've
9?
already eaten 9. Yeah, they actually turned out really good, and they taste delicious. So we also have our peanut We'll link the recipe down below. It's really, really easy to follow, so definitely recommend trying it out.
Literally, ilovevegan.com.
We're gonna give these a go.
I want the one with avocado.
It looks amazing. Cheers.
My sauce bite ratio is like
I know.
5 to 1.
So, I think that the verdict is these are delicious. Yeah. Really easy, and it takes like a lot less time.
I thought this was gonna be dinner because of how long it was gonna take.
I mean, it did kind of take us a while but I think that's just because we were filming it. I think that real time, it probably takes like maybe an hour max. Especially if you already, like if you pre-cut your veggies while the tofu is cooking.
If you know how to cut vegetables.
Yeah, you know how to cut vegetables, like it's easy.
You don't have to Google it, you know? Like if I was like eating pho and then like also eating this. Girl. There's so much peanut butter in this.
Oh yeah, I really
and it's like black.
I just got like a big chunk of it. Yeah, so you gotta just whip me out face of your hair. Ah! Your hair.
What you doing that?
We're gonna go finish eating these, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
Grateful. I'm grateful. Oh baby, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful.